tutorial to help you use the school website. Let's start. Okay, the first thing, once you log in and you get the school website, you can have this. For example, we are on this level. You can get stream. This is the first thing. This is where you can get all the new announcements telling you that when to start the classes, when we have holidays, what is required from you, and so on. Then you can go to classwork. This is the next thing you can do. You can have from this icon, you can join the meetings, the classes, or the sessions with the teacher and your friends. And here you can have the course syllabus. If you click on it, you can get all the lessons and the objectives and so on. So let's discover together, starting from the very beginning. Okay, here are the overall curriculum expectations. This is what you expect to learn with us. So with the listening and speaking, with the reading skills, with the writing skills, and with the social cultural competence, these are some general objectives. And then you can get the unit titles and the descriptions with how many hours you can spend and how many marks you can get. Then you can, starting from here, you can get the learning objectives one by one. This is the actual thing, very detailed. Like this is unit 1, and you will have lesson 1. Each unit contains, for example, in English, 4 lessons. So you will get lesson 1. This is the objective of lesson 1. And in here, in this part, learning activities. This is what you are going to learn. Go through each link and learn something new. And then you can go with the activities you can do to practice what you have learned. By the way, you can get the same thing from here. If we get back to the classwork, yes, if we get back to classwork in here, we have the units with the lessons. So for example, I can choose this one, lesson 4 in unit 2. And you can view the assignment. So let's click on it and get the details, the instructions. So for lesson 4, for example, you are going, this is the name of the unit. You can get prepared or get ready by studying this part first. And then you can do this application part on it. So you can practice what you have learned through these activities. And in here, how many points you can get by achieving or finishing this part. And then you can move on to the next part of the lesson, study this part, and then have the application on it for application 2. And then you have these points once you finish this and you submit it to your teacher. And this is the rubric where you can know the criteria that based upon them you get assessed. What you have learned can get assessed, the skills and knowledge. That's it. I hope that this was very useful for you, and I hope you achieve all the dreams you want through our school. Thank you.